This is the new and improved crime scene trail at Markham Park as of July 15th, 2019. Welcome back to the Dr. T Pro Show. If you're new to the channel, be sure to drink responsibly and click the subscribe and bell buttons on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. I'm here with Hunter and Nick to show you the trail. Crime scene is a drop to a down slanted landing to a gap jump to a berm to berm jump and finally to a small double. Let's watch that at full speed. Alright, bruh.
Train?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
I landed a little off on the double, but
So did I. Me too. I like constants.
both the drop and the gap jump sound nice, but when it comes to the berm to berm, you can see me case it from every angle. And I'm not the only one. What do you think? Am I sending it wrong? Or do you think it needs to be dialed in? Have you conquered the new crime scene? Or are you working up to it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed, leave her a thumbs up. Have fun and stay healthy, everyone. Mind, body, and spirit. See you next time.